1, 2, 3, and it turns into a watch. We take it, we put it in the cup. Now look, little wave, snap my fingers, the coin disappears. The water instantly reappears in the jug. Whoa! As I move it over the red deck, you can see the card turns red. No, it really is. Just watch. You have to look closely. What? I got Justin Couch here from Couch Collectibles. Justin, what's the most valuable coin that you have on you right now?
Well, this 1865 2-cent coin.
Ooh, very cool. That looks rare. So watch, we take it, we put it in the cup. Now look, little wave, snap my fingers, the coin disappears just like that. See, it's gone.
How am I going to get it back? It's worth $500.
$500? You said it was worth 2 cents. Here is the secret to the magic disappearing and appearing coin trick. So as you can see, there's a false bottom in this cup. All you need is one coin. You can borrow it from the audience. You actually need 2 duplicate cups because you're going to cut the bottom out of one and set it sideways in the cup just like this. Make sure your audience is not looking down inside the cup. You want them to be seeing it from this front angle just like this. When you drop the coin in the cup, the false bottom will fall down on top of it, hiding the coin inside the cup. You can then tilt it forward and show that the cup is completely empty. Grab a coin in the cup and try this one out at home. This is one of the oldest magic tricks ever. Magicians have been performing the magic water jug trick for hundreds of years. They would gather a crowd in the street. Buskers would ask someone for a glass, and someone would hold the glass and they'd take the magic water jug and they would dump it into the glass, and they would show that all of the water is out of the jug, and then they would simply show the jug off to the audience, and they would ask for donations, they would ask for tips, and then they would show the jug empty, and then it would magically refill with water, just like that. They would empty it out again, and they would show it to the audience again. They would ask for more tips. This was called busking. So they would show the jug around, they would show that it was empty, and then they would say, watch, the water instantly reappears in the jug just like this. And then they would do it again. They would just repeat this process. They would go around, they would gather tips from the crowd, they would show off the water jug, and then they would say, watch, the water magically reappears inside the jug just like that. And they would do this so many times. They would make all this money just walking around gathering tips while they showed off the water jug. And then they would take the jug, show more water appeared inside, and they could repeat this so many times and just keep gathering a bigger and bigger crowd and a bigger and bigger pot of money, and then they would take the jug and they would empty water out of it again, and this would just keep going until they filled up the entire glass with water. And it's unbelievable. It just keeps going. These are available now from EvanEraTV.com. That is my online magic shop. This is one of our new products. This is the mini magic water jug. It comes with everything you need to perform the trick. This is a specially made little water jug. The apparatus inside is what allows you to perform this amazing trick. You fill it with water, you put the top on just like this, and if you look closely, there's a little hole right here in the top of the water jug, right below the spout. All you have to do is cover that hole with your finger, conceal it from your audience's view. When you tilt the jug upside down, the water will dump out, but because you're covering the hole, the rest of the water will be retained inside the jug. Now, all you have to do is just remove your finger from the hole. The little reservoir inside the spout will fill up, cover the hole again, and tilt it to dump another batch of water out just like that. Now it will appear empty once again because you're covering the hole. All you have to do is repeat the process. Take your finger off the hole, the jug will begin to fill up with water inside the special spout design, cover the hole again, and you can dump more water out just like that. Now you can repeat this process up to 10 or 20 times. Just make sure you uncover the hole when it's upright and then cover it again before you dump. Available now at EvanEraTV.com. Get your own magic mini water jug today. They make a perfect gift for a beginner magician. Perfect magic trick for kids. It's a great stocking stuffer. It's a scaled down pocket-sized version of the classic magic water jug trick, and we have them available now for you at EvanEraTV.com. Click the link in the description if you want to get one. You're going to need 2 cards, one blue and one red. Start out by taking the blue card and separating it into 4 different sections. Once you have it cut, you're going to remove 2 of them. You're only going to need these 2. Take some glue and apply it to the blue pieces of card and then stick them in place. You're going to need a double-sided card. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com, or you can make your own. This is our finished product of our little gimmicked card. We're going to fold it in half like this, and then like this. And now you can see from this side, it looks like a folded up red card, but from this side, it looks like a folded up blue card. Start out with the blue on the blue side, just like this, and then you flip it over, pull it out, and the card is now red. Do the same thing, flip, now it's blue. So we start out with the card loaded like this. We have a folded up red card here. We then take it, flip the entire thing over, and now the card has turned blue. Super easy to do, very simple card trick that you can perform at home. Try it out. Watch this. I have a single playing card here. I take the card 1, 2, 3, and it turns into a watch. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret to the magic watch trick. So a lot of you all have been asking how this trick is done. It's been making the rounds on social media. Well, here is the secret to the card to watch trick. On the back of the watch, there is a specially gimmicked card just like this. You open it up, it is spring loaded just like this. You show it and then look. The card instantly hides itself. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you'd like the opportunity to win the magic card to watch trick. This is one of the most amazing card tricks you will ever see. You can see I'm holding a card from the blue deck here, but as I move it over the red deck, you can see the card turns red just like that. But watch, this is just an illusion. If we move it back over the blue deck, the card turns back to blue. And you can repeat this process as many times as you want. The card will turn to red, and then back to blue. Blue, red. Blue, red. Blue, red. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. This is a trick that I dreamed about for years, and it is finally a reality. This is a holographic card. When you look at it from one angle, it appears to be red, but when you look at it from another angle, it appears to be blue. So you can just put some cards down on the table like this, and then you just hold the card at a certain angle. This is very angle sensitive, but you can see from this angle, the card really looks like a blue backed card, but if you just tilt it ever so slightly, it now looks like a red card. You can see this is all just about the angle that you're seeing it from. This card is not a normal playing card. It is printed like a holographic image. There are tiny little lines, almost like pixels on the screen of a TV. Each one of these little ridges in the card has multiple sides to it. The sides from this angle all appear blue, and then from when you tilt it, they all appear red from a different angle. So these little ridges are not really visible with the naked eye. That's what makes it such a good illusion, but you can kind of hear it if I drag my finger across the card. Those are the little ridges, the little lines, like little pixel lines that create this amazing effect of the card just morphing from one color to the other. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give this card away to one lucky comment. Justin, do you have a coin on you?
Yep. I got a $50 right here.
Oh, perfect. All right, so $50 right there. Watch the $50. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! My finger goes right through the coin. What's up?
That $50 is worth more than 50 cents.
What do you mean?
It's a collectible coin. It's worth more than 50 cents. You put a hole in it.
The Magic Karate Coin, one of my favorite coin tricks ever. These are available now at EvanEraTV.com. Comes with this right here, this special gimmicked coin. It looks like your finger has just punched right through the coin, just like this. The karate coin starts out on your fingertip like this, curled in and hidden behind your other fingers. You're going to extend your middle finger out to look like your index finger. So this is the switch that's happening, and at the same time, you're going to catch this coin in midair as you toss it it up, and it's gonna look like you just penetrate the coin. So you toss the coin up in the air, catch it with this hand, and extend this finger out. You can then take this off your finger and hand it out to the audience for examination. They can pass this around and even keep it as a souvenir of your amazing performance. Okay, Justin, I have a magic sword here. I also have a coin inside this box. Is right up your alley.
Okay, yeah.
So you got a coin in the box. It's a Chinese coin that has a hole right through the middle of it, okay? And then, actually it might be Japanese, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments if it's Chinese or Japanese, I don't really know. So the little sword and the star. The sword goes right through the middle of the star, just like that. But this is actually an illusion. It's not really going through the middle of the star. Believe it or not, it's actually going through the middle of the coin.
I don't believe you.
No, it really is. Just watch. You have to look closely, though.
What?
It's right through the middle of the coin, not the star, okay?
How did you do that?
It's magic. The magic sword, star, and coin trick. This works exactly like the magic dice bomb that we have available at EvanEraTV.com. This is a classic trick. If any of you know how this trick works, the dice bomb, then you'll know how this trick works. So I'm actually not going to tell you how this trick is done. I want you to guess in the comments. If you know how the dice bomb works, you probably have a good idea of how this trick works. You put the box together, the sword goes through. It's clearly through the middle of the star, and then suddenly, somehow, it is through the middle of the coin only. You can even open up the box, remove the sword, and show the coin and the star to the audience, and they can examine both. How do you think it's done? Thanks for watching How to Magic. If you are new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can learn new magic every single week. And it is giveaway time. If you want to win any of the magic props from this video, just leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know which trick was your favorite. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video as well. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.